Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of logging into your ICICI bank account online. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, we've got it covered. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official ICICI bank website. You can do so by typing icicibank.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're on the official website to avoid any phishing scams. Once you're on the home page, you have to search for the login button and tap on it. Then you have to select the personal, tap on it. Now on your screen, you can see they are asking for your user ID and your password. Type in your user ID, then type in password and tap on login. That's how you'll log into your ICICI bank account. Before clicking on the login button, here are a few security tips. Always use a secure network to access your banking information. Do not share your login credentials with anyone. Ensure your device has updated antivirus software. Alright, let's proceed by clicking on the login button. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.